Welcome back to Endangered Species Spotlight. This week we are talking about the Aruba Island rattlesnake. So the Aruba Island rattlesnake is a type of rattlesnake that is endemic to the island of Aruba in the Caribbean off the coast of Venezuela. Endemic meaning that this is the only place that the specific animal is found, so the Aruba Island rattlesnake only lives on the island of Aruba. That is the only place in the entire world where they're found. They are classified as critically endangered. There are currently estimated to be only about 250 mature individuals left in the entire world. The entire world meaning Aruba and some captive breeding programs, but I digress. One of the largest causes of them being endangered is habitat loss, largely due to tourism. So Aruba is a very popular tourist destination, and often they like brush areas, so like shrubs and rocks and like tall grasses and stuff, but those aren't very fun for tourists, so often the area and habitat that the snakes like tend to be cleared out for more tourist-friendly environments. And then again, with increased tourism activity, the snakes are more at risk from like vehicles and dogs and just stuff like that. Additionally, these are the only venomous snake on Aruba. However, there are a number of introduced species that are outcompeting it for prey, such as boa constrictors. Boa constrictors are not native to Aruba, but they have been brought there, whether accidentally, on like planes and boats and stuff, or if people have had them as pets and they've escaped. But now there is a population of very invasive boa constrictors on Aruba, and they are outcompeting the native rattlesnakes. Additionally, as with all snakes, particularly venomous snakes, there is stigma against them, so they're more likely to be killed by people that see a rattlesnake and freak out because they think they're going to die if they see a rattlesnake. Additionally, another source of habitat loss, there's a population of feral goats on Aruba. So if farmers and whatever, if people have goats and the goats escape and they establish feral population and they have to eat, so they again destroy all the vegetation that the rattlesnakes like to live in. Yeah, overall, pretty much the biggest threat to these guys are invasive competitors like boa constrictors and habitat loss. As always, there are links to conservation efforts, however there is a very small population of these guys left. Hopefully they can recover, but if you are going to Aruba, be mindful of them, watch where you step, watch where you drive, and make sure your dogs are on leash and you are looking where you're going so you don't accidentally get bit or accidentally hurt one of these snakes.